Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. So dear student, when I will set the question, you must be attentive to listen this question, and when I will say the answer, you say with me. So dear student, look at the board. Today we will read the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. The first question is, why do we need to draw picture? I repeat it. Why do we need to draw picture? Answer, to be creative. Answer is to be creative. So dear student, now I said the question number 2. Please be attentive to listen this. Do you know what is painting? Dear student, do you know what is painting? Answer, yes, I know. Painting is the language of color. Yes, I know. Painting is the language of color. Question number 3. What type of picture do you like to paint? Dear student, do you listen this question carefully? I will say it again. What type of picture do you like to paint? Answer, I like to paint colorful scenery. Look at the question, like to paint. You just join the I like to paint colorful scenery. Question number 4. Can you draw charming scenery? Again, can you draw charming scenery? Yes, I can draw charming scenery. Such as, that means this is the example, such as scenery of fishes in the water, village scenery, etc. Again, the answer is, look at the question first. Can you draw charming scenery? You just add here I can and erase this you. I can draw charming scenery. Then such as, that means example, such as scenery of fishes in the water, village scenery, etc. Listen everyone. Many of your students, you said this, it is C. This is not it is C. This is etc. I repeat it, this is etc. Question number 5. How do we draw picture before coloring it? Question number 5. Listen this very carefully. How do we draw picture before coloring it? Answer, at first, that means first time. At first, we draw a picture with pencil. You all know that first we draw the pencil, draw with pencil, then put the color step by step. So dear students, say like this. At first, we draw a picture with pencil, then put color step by step. So dear student, I have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. You should practice by listening and watching this video at YouTube. Do not forget to listen this very carefully. Dear student, look at the board. I have given you a homework also. That means your RW is an owl with stem without color. So dear student, do your assign SW and submit the SW at your school every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. Don't forget to submit because your SBA, diary and city marks also depends on your SW. So dear student, stay at your home, abide by your parents. That's all for today. Thank you.